Good morning, guys. So, day off. Same day off with hubby once again. Siyempre, whenever that happens, we try to figure out kung saan pwedeng maglakwatsa. And we decided to get or go to the all-you-can-eat sushi. Request ng baby. Strawberry waffle. Toast. Kami ni hubby. Coffee and simple breakfast lang. Kasi nga, need to have space or room for a lot. Okay. Coffee time. And here we go. Zane, where are we going? Huh? Where? Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Lalamon lang kami.
Basurahan. Maganda sa
So, nandito na kami sa Fuji Grill. This is an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. They have sashimis, mga iba-ibang ano. Let me show you the menu. So, here's their menu. Kasama po yan sa lahat ng all-you-can-eat. Okay? So, really, ano. Tapos, split mo. There you go. Ayan. This are part of it. Yeah. There you go. Tapos meron silang revolving sushis and sashimis and nigiris. Parang sakura revolving. Tapos they have that. So mga kapatid, tarantay na, hindi na malaman yung orderin. Ayan na, ugutom na yun, no, si madam. Yeah. Hi, my love. So, Zane got wings karage. Kinuhanan nila ako ng food. Hindi nila alam. Oh, looks so good. We'll take a bite of my first one. Oh my God, this is big.
Tama naman Siguro na.
Nawasa. Winasa ko siya. But it's okay. I can still eat it.
Lambot.
Wow. Yum. Sarap. This is so good.
I think it's you. Oh, she has to show it.
This is so good. And I got sashimi combination. Look how pretty is that. This one is the grilled teriyaki salmon and we got the tuna. Sarap. Then now we'll be trying the hamachi, grilled hamachi. It's one of the most really good. So of course, there's some lemon in there. Squeeze some lemon. Nice. And now we'll be trying a piece. Oh wow. Sarap. This is bitin. Sarap. This is ano. Then let's try the teriyaki salmon. Edamame. Now we'll be trying our sashimi combo platter. Let's try this here. Dip it. Now we got the sashimi. Sashimi. Sarap. Fried oyster. This one, we'll squeeze some lemon again. Squeeze some lemon. Sigado to mainit. It's gonna be really hot. And let's try. Try first without any sauce. Mainit.
Kasi kung natin yung plain lang. Rokotin.
Breading.
Sinata, kakain tayo. Yeah, plain. As person yung magiging na.
Mainit. And more roll. Not really much fun of mga roll kasi sobrang makanin. Busog ka kaagad. But let's give it a try. Ay, nasira siya. It's too big. Okay. It's a big bite. Baka dito kasya sa bibig ko. Let's see.
May nauni na sa kapo. Baby ka. Watak buwak na titignan ko. Parang feeling ko. Pinasok na yung kwarto.
Yung anak ko sulit. Bigyan mo lang to ng sesame ball. At saka chicken happy na. Pickled cucumber.
Walang nga nakakawak.
Ang tanggad umay. Wow. Hubby is got jellyfish salad. Second round, it's really good. Their sesame ball is freshly cooked and really soft.
Pwede pala.
Try banana for dessert. Let's try. Mukha siyang fried oyster. Mainit.
Mommy, the apple one tastes.
Our bill for all-you-can-eat buffet. There you go. Bumalandra pa ako sa pinto. Okay, guys. So, we're done. Oh, anong rating?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Bakit 11 out of 10? Dahil sa oyster. Okay. Me, 8 out of 10 for the price, for the service, for the decent, quality of food.
I know.
Right? What's your rating? How many? How many stars? 8 out of 10. How about Dad? Dad, how many rating?
8.5.
8.5. May 0.5 pa. Mama Burley, anong rating?
9.9.
99. In fairness, matataas mag-rating ang mga kasama ko. Give me one good reason why you need to get a toy at Marshall's. Come on. Did you drink water? Drink water. Sanitize your hand. Gotta sanitize the hand. Till next time. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye.